trebuchet was actually a siege weapon used in the medieval times. What they would use it for is you launch rocks, large boulders, and you'd use a trebuchet much larger than this one. But you'd take those rocks in there and put it in the sack, and then it would just whip them over castle walls, just demolish castles. We've been doing this for about 4 years. This is a tradition we've had. The trebuchet has 360 pounds on the end of the mast, and the way it works is essentially you lift up the mast and you put a pumpkin in the bag at the end, and because there's a potential energy to that weight there, it'll be swung down by gravity and transfer that energy to the pumpkin by pulling it along the string, and eventually the release on the top of it will throw the pumpkin about 100 yards. The reason we started doing this was we wanted to start up the Edinboro Physics and Astronomy Club again. So we found out we had a trebuchet sitting around, so we fixed it up a bit, and then we decided, hey, let's launch some pumpkins for homecoming.
You smashed it so I get 2 in a row.